Hey cat lovers, and welcome back to another video. Orange tabbies, also known as ginger cats, are well loved in the cat community. Many of them are known for being very affectionate and having sweet dispositions. But did you know there are a lot of fun facts about orange cats? Some of these findings might even surprise you. By the way, if you've been following this channel for a while, yes, we have shared ginger cat facts in the past. This is simply an updated version with more details. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to our channel for more cat videos. Now let's dive into 10 fun facts about orange tabby cats. Number 1. Male gingers are more common. If you see a ginger cat, there's a pretty high chance that it's one of the boys. Up to 80% of orange tabbies are male, meaning only 20% are female. This is because the gene that produces orange fur is on the X chromosome. As a throwback to Biology 101, females have 2 X chromosomes, while males have an X chromosome and a Y chromosome. Since females have 2 X chromosomes, female orange tabbies need 2 copies of the gene to become ginger, while males only need 1. Similar gender-associated color patterns exist in calico and tortoiseshell cats, but these coat patterns work in the ladies' favor. As a bonus fun fact, about 99.9% of calico and tortoiseshell cats are female. The gene responsible for the orange color is again located on the X chromosome. In this case, one version of the gene codes for orange and another codes for non-orange, usually black. Since females have 2 X chromosomes, they can carry both versions of the gene. So when a female cat inherits one X chromosome with the orange version and another with the non-orange version, the result is a beautiful calico or torty coat. These gender-specific color variations emphasize the intricate interplay between genes, chromosomes, and the captivating array of coat colors in cats. Number 2. Orange tabby is not a breed. Contrary to popular belief, orange tabbies are not a breed. Instead, the term tabby actually refers to the coat pattern. As for their specific markings, all tabbies have a distinctive M-shaped marking on the forehead. However, their coat patterns vary depending on the tabby type. In fact, there are 5 different tabby coat patterns. First, there's the classic type. The classic tabby pattern is characterized by marbled, swirled, or blotched patterns that often resemble the brushstrokes of an artist's painting. Often a dark line runs along the spine known as the spinal line, adding to the distinctive look of the classic tabby. Next we have mackerel. Mackerel tabbies, also known as striped tabbies or tiger cats, boast a pattern that closely resembles the sleek striping of a fish skeleton, hence the term mackerel. Their coats display parallel stripes that are perpendicular to the spine, often extending onto the legs and tail. Then we have spotted. The spotted tabby pattern is a display of varying size spots scattered around the cat's coat. These spots can be round or oval in shape and are distributed randomly. Some spotted tabbies may have larger spots on their sides that merge into more complex patterns, while others may have smaller, more evenly distributed spots. Then there's the patched. The patched tabby pattern, also known as tortoiseshell tabby or torby, combines the classic tabby pattern with patches of solid color, usually in shades of brown and orange. This results in a mosaic-like appearance like the patterns on a tortoiseshell shell. The patches can vary in size and shape. Finally, we have ticked. Tick tabbies, also known as agouti tabbies, have a distinctive appearance when viewed up close. While the overall appearance may seem solid from a distance, a closer look reveals that each individual hair on their coat alternates between light and dark bands of color. This produces a finely speckled or salt and pepper effect. Number 3. Certain breeds are more likely to be ginger. Although orange cats are not a specific breed, certain breeds are more likely to have orange fur than others. Some of these breeds are the Persian, exotic shorthair, Munchkin, American bobtail, British shorthair, Bengal, Maine Coon, and Egyptian Mau. The presence of orange fur in specific cat breeds can be attributed to the interplay of various genetic factors. The orange color is the result of the O gene, which codes for the production of orange pigments in the fur. Certain breeds may have a higher prevalence of this gene due to their genetic lineage and the selective breeding practices that have been employed over time. The prevalence of the orange gene in certain breeds highlights the fascinating results of genetic diversity in the feline world. Just note that while these breeds are more likely to have orange fur than others, there are several color variations within these breeds. Number 4. There are no solid-colored orange cats. Yes, you heard that right. Believe it or not, there is no such thing as a solid-colored orange cat. This is because all cats with orange fur carry the tabby gene. As mentioned earlier, tabby cats have various markings, none of which are solid. Some breeders have found ways to dilute the orange color so that it appears solid. However, tabby markings will still be there even if they are very faint. By strategically pairing cats with specific variations of the tabby gene, breeders can influence the intensity of the markings, making them less pronounced. This process has led to the development of cats that seem to have solid orange coats, even though the genetic underpinnings of the tabby patterns remain. This fun fact adds another layer of fascination to the world of cat genetics and serves as a reminder of the captivating secrets hidden within the genes of our furry companions. Number 5. All orange cats are also tabby cats. To expand on fact number 2, since all cats with orange fur carry the tabby gene, this means all orange cats are also tabby cats. However, not all tabby cats are orange cats. As explained earlier, the orange color in cats is a result of the O gene. The tabby pattern, on the other hand, is influenced by the agouti gene. This gene controls the distribution of pigments in the fur, leading to patterns like stripes, swirls, or spots. But not all tabby cats possess the O gene responsible for the orange color. Tabby patterns can appear in a wide range of colors, including brown, gray, silver, and other shades, with orange being just one of the possibilities. As you now know, orange cats do indeed exhibit tabby patterns in addition to the orange color. However, tabby cats are not limited to the orange coloration. With that said, while all orange cats are indeed tabby cats because they possess the tabby pattern alongside their orange color, not all tabby cats are orange. Number 6. Ginger cats tend to develop freckles. Many orange tabbies develop dark brown or black freckles. These freckles develop on the head, especially around the gums, lips, nose, or even inside of the ears. The technical term for these benign freckles is lentigo simplex, and it is generally harmless. Oftentimes, the freckles grow in size as the cat gets older. Lentigo simplex is a result of an increased concentration of pigmented cells in specific areas of the skin. While lentigo simplex is usually nothing to worry about, it's important for cat guardians to be observant of any changes in these freckles over time. In rare cases, freckles or pigmented spots that grow, change color, or exhibit irregularities might warrant a veterinarian's attention. These changes could potentially indicate a different skin condition or, although uncommon, even the presence of skin cancer, so be sure to keep up with regular vet checkups. Number 7. Orange tabbies share a pigment with redheads. As we just learned, orange tabbies are genetically prone to freckles. The pigment responsible for freckles and an orange cat's coat color is called pheomelanin. This same pigment is responsible for red hair and freckles in humans as well. Pretty neat, right? In orange cats, the O gene also affects the distribution of pheomelanin in the skin. This can lead to concentrations of pheomelanin around certain areas of the face, creating freckles. The freckles are essentially areas where the concentration of pheomelanin is higher, leading to darker pigmentation compared to the surrounding skin. It's important to note that not all orange cats develop freckles, as the extent and presence of freckles can vary from cat to cat. Nonetheless, the presence of pheomelanin in both cats and humans is a fascinating example of convergent evolution, where different species independently develop similar traits due to similar environmental or genetic influences. Number 8. Ginger cats are part of a legend. There are many legends as to how orange tabbies got their distinctive M mark on their foreheads. One legend is that the M comes from their encounter with Jesus, the Son of God. As the story goes, when baby Jesus was lying in the manger, he began to shiver and cry from the cold. After trying to keep him warm with a blanket, his mother Mary didn't know what else to do, so she asked the animals in the manger to move closer to the baby to keep him warm with their body heat. However, Jesus continued to shiver and cry. Then, a tabby cat came into the manger and cuddled next to baby Jesus. The baby stopped crying and fell asleep. To thank the feline, Mary marked her initial on the cat's forehead so that tabby cats would forever remind the world of how one of their kind had comforted the newborn Jesus. For our faithful friends, note that this is simply a fun legend and is not meant to be taken literally. There is no evidence of this story in scripture. Number 9. Orange tabbies have several nicknames. Orange tabby cats have many different monikers. After orange tabbies, they are most often referred to as ginger cats or marmalade cats. However, they have also been nicknamed orange, yellow, butter, caramel, and butterscotch cats. As a personal opinion, I favor ginger cats the best. Which of these monikers do you think is the most fitting for orange cats? Feel free to comment below. Number 10. Many orange tabbies are famous. Many famous fictional cats are orange tabbies, with Garfield, Spot, and Puss in Boots being just a few of the many beloved characters. However, out of all famous gingers, Morris the cat is arguably the most iconic. Morris is widely renowned as a feline advertising superstar, particularly for his role as the mascot for 9 Lives cat food. Debuting in the 1960s, Morris quickly became a household name, gracing television screens and print advertisements with his distinctive orange fur and charming demeanor. Morris's character not only helped promote cat food, but also cemented the orange tabby's status as a cultural icon. Beyond his advertising endeavors, Morris's popularity extended into various media appearances, making him a truly multifaceted feline celebrity. He starred in movies such as Seamus and The Long Goodbye, further showcasing his stardom. Morris's impact was so significant that he even won 2 Patsy Awards in 1972 and 1973. As an FYI, a Patsy is like an Oscar for animals. Very impressive, Morris. And now it's time for Cat of the Week. This video's Cat of the Week is Jakey. His guardian says, "Jakey is a 7-year-old tabby I found at a shelter. He was found in a box on the side of the street. I adopted him and he is very happy. Jakey likes neck scratches, high places, and watching the Purring Journal. Congratulations, Jakey. Keep being pawsome." To enter your cat for a chance to be featured, visit the entry link in the description box below. There you have it. As you now know, orange cats are quite interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps other cat lovers find our content. Also, which of these facts did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next Catterday for another video.